Ready?
I'll ask. Everyone's got their plugs in.
Let's unload.
Okay. Yeah, I'll give you a call after we're done with this.
Crank on it, Tom. Hold it tight to your shoulder because it's got the... It's a damage. Whoa, does that thing?
Go!
Go into flames, you fucker! Big corner shot. That took a lot of glass out. Is that an improved cylinder? I set the pumps for full choke. We need a couple cabinets shots too.
You want to try her out? I think my duck plug is getting in my way in there.
Man. Yeah, that's why you're starting to put those plugs in.
Duck plug's only let me put one more in.
I want to take a cabinet shot, so I'm going to the side a little. Not a lot, just a little.
This barrel is warm.
Yeah, they're very hot. Watch out.
Nice. Is it jamming?
Here we go. We got a live load in the cabinet. I'll go low, you go high.
All right.
On 3. 1, 2, 3. God.
That's duck plug, huh? Or is it?
That other one come out. Yeah, I don't. Got something. Fire in the hole!
It only allows 2.
Shoot, Ed! Oh, we got fire out the back now.
Oh.
Go up, go.
Ithaca.
Here
you go.
I'm gonna grab my camera today.
Yeah.
Just in case somebody films.
Speaker.
Can I shoot that?
Yeah.
This one doesn't kick as much, Tom. That 16 gauge really.
Is this a
gives
12
us kick.
gauge?
Yeah, that's a 12.
Okay. Got 2 3/4 inch loads here. I think I fixed that duck plug that was in there.
Fire slowly dying. Say, throw some more gas on there. Oh, we got
Safety, but there's one in the chamber. Good to go? Yep.
fire in the hole. Yeah, that recoil pad is sweet.
Thing's a real good natural pointer.
That's about a pattern that big with those holes that.
Oh, I got a full choke in there right now.
Ready?
We'll make sure Garrett's behind me. Garrett, you want to step back a second?
Okay, pull.
Pull.
He's been shooting at the range.
Okay.
Nice.
What's on TV tonight?
45. No, I'll fill her up.
Starting to crackle and pop. It's nice walnut or oak.
Sucks.
That one's empty.
Ready?
Yeah. Three.
It's legal. It's only 3.
This
Not
thing
one of
is
my
a
guns.
semi-auto?
Huh?
Is this thing a semi?
Yeah. Yeah.
This would be a good duck gun.
Yeah. I got that from Scooter for those bullets that I gave him.
Oh, that hit.
They kick like a mule.
This thing's awesome.
Yeah.
Hey, you took the speaker out on that last shot.
It's I loaded up 2 of them.
You got 2 in here?
No.